With equity at an all-time high right now, home equity lines of credit are indeed in high demand, so I decided to get our company approved with a bank that does them. And so let's talk about that. So introducing Fresh Home Loan Incorporated Home Equity Lines of Credit. Now, a home equity line of credit is a second mortgage typically tied to your home equity that allows you to do things such as home improvement, debt consolidation. They're great for emergency funds as well as bridge funds for a home purchase. And we do have these actually for home purchases as well. Can help avoid certain jumbo products or mortgage insurance and things of that nature as well. So a lot of opportunity here for people looking for a home equity line of credit. All right, so let's talk about the program highlights. Now, these are good for both purchases and standalone seconds. We can do both. So whether you're looking to buy a home and you need a little leverage with a home equity line of credit, or you just want to, do some home improvements, got that great fixed rate first mortgage, that's a great opportunity for you either way. They do go to an 89.99% loan to value. These are good for first and second homes, not investment properties, but we can do your second home as well as your first primary residence. Minimum FICO will go down to a 680 credit score, and we do have loan amounts, or line amounts I should say, up to $500,000, and these do have a 10-year interest-only payment term available to you. A couple little fine print notes, if you will. There is a $50,000 minimum draw that is required, but it can be paid back after the first payment. So you do need to do a minimum draw when we close this, and this is a 30-year term. It has a 10-year interest-only period and a 20-year term payback period after that. And I have to tell you, we don't even have second mortgages on our submission sheets here. I never thought I'd be in the home equity line of credit business again. The last time I closed a home equity line of credit was in 2008, but I don't have a source for my clients. My past clients ask me, and I don't have a good source, so I basically created my own source myself to help my past clients, help you. If you're not a past client, hey, let's close a home equity line of credit. You can get in the secret past clients club here at Fresh Home Loan. We are here to help you succeed. Let's tap into that home equity, make your house beautiful, consolidate debt, whatever we need to do. Have a great day. Don't forget to contact me at Fresh Home Loan Inc., independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. And like and subscribe and do all that great stuff. Thank you.